I bet you did not know your Galaxy could do this. I have uncovered 5 secret features hidden in the plain sight that most users completely miss. Number 4 is a total lifesaver. So let's dive in. Number 1, the Wi-Fi Dead Zone Killer. Your Samsung has a hidden connectivity lab menu that turns your phone into a pro-grade Wi-Fi analyzer. Go to Settings, Connections, and Wi-Fi. Tap the 3 dots, open Intelligent Wi-Fi, and scroll to the bottom. Tap the Intelligent Wi-Fi version 7 times to unlock the secret menu. Now tap on Connectivity Labs to enter. Use the Home Wi-Fi Inspection tool to map your signal strength and find the perfect spot for your router. Number 2, the Anti-Ghosting tool. Even had someone deleted a message before you could read it, go to Settings, Notification, and Advanced Settings. Turn on Notification History. Now your phone will log every single alert, allowing you to read deleted WhatsApp or messages text long after they are gone. Number 3, Separate App Sound. This is perfect for multitasker. It allows you to stream music to a Bluetooth speaker while playing video audio strictly on your phone. Go to your settings, sound and vibration, and select Separate App Sound. Pick your app and your device, and now you can keep the party music going while you scroll through TikTok privately. Number 4, Instant Volume Boost. If your Samsung sounds too quiet even at full volume, this is the official fix to make it louder without apps. Go to Settings, Sound and Vibration, tap Volume, hit the 3 dot in the corner, open Media Volume Limit, and turn it on. Now drag the slider all the way to the right for maximum output. This tricks your phone into unlocking maximum frequency, giving your massive crystal clear sound boost across the board. It's a total lifesaver. Number 5, the Assistant menu. If you find it hard to reach the top of your screen, this floating magical button is for you. Go to your settings, accessibility, and interaction and dictionary. Toggle on the assistive menu. This gives you an instant access to screenshot, volume control, and screen off with just one tap, making one-handed use incredible easy. Don't let your friend miss out on these Galaxy secrets. Send this video to someone who needs to see this and hit follow for more Samsung hacks.